Alright guys, welcome back to Deep South Bayou Diesel. Yes, we are at the back of my 7.3. This is Whistling Phoenix. And what we have here is a brand new water pump. Because the weep hole on this water pump, which is original, has started leaking. It actually started leaking a while back. So, I bought this water pump. Look at that bad boy. That's a nice looking water pump. But I bought this. It's got this, okay, that's going to have to be painted before I stick it on there. Everything underneath my truck is either black or green. I'm not sticking anything blue under there. So this is definitely going to have to get painted. But, I never really film my 7.3 anymore ever since I got my 6.0. It's been 6.0 this, 6.0 that, 6.0 this, 6.0 that. So what I think I'm going to do is I think I'm going to go do something a little special, a little different. I always film my my 6.0, and sometimes I'll even make shorts. I was going to stick this back there, but I don't even see room to put that in there, so I'll just stick it in the back of in the back seat. As a matter of fact, oh God, I love the bed liner I stuck on here. It took off the box. That's good. But yeah, I should be getting into this truck either late tonight or tomorrow. I've been driving this truck for I think 2-3 weeks. So, and I love it, don't get me wrong, but it needs a break. It really does. There we go. Let's see here. This should be unlocked. Yeah. So, I'm ready to get back into that truck because I want to give this truck a break. I don't want to keep driving this truck and driving this truck and driving this truck and having more and more problems occur. Because people want to say, oh, the 7.3 is absolutely reliable. Yeah, it is. If you keep maintenance up, preventative maintenance, and, when something does rear its ugly head, be ready to deal with it. But anyway, I'm thinking that when I film the repair of this truck, I think I'm going to do a live. I haven't done a live in over a year. And the last time I did a live, my very first live on this channel, was the 4th of July. And I'll probably do another live celebrating the 4th this year, which is just, let's see here. I think it's 3 days from now. Yes, 3 days from now. And it is 5:18 in the afternoon. And I wish it were 79 degrees. It is not. It is hot. But, yeah, I think I'm going to do a live. So, we'll see how that turns out. I don't know for a fact that I'm going to do a live, but I'm really considering doing it. I think I'm going to just get the tripod, set it up, in front of this truck, just get in some shade and have at it. It's just 9 bolts. 9 bolts, a couple gaskets, the lower radiator hose. It'll be the first time I've done a water pump on a diesel, but I've done plenty of water pumps in my day. As a matter of fact, I just got through doing a water pump on my uncle's 2004 4.7 liter Dodge Ram. And I don't even remember how many bolts it was. It wasn't 9. It was a lot less than that. But, I've done water pumps on Mustangs. I've done them on F-150s, which is the same water pump. If you've got the 4.6, it's the same water pump. I've done them on Chevrolets. I've done them on Dodges. Chrysler's, I mean, you name it, I've done it. But this will be the first diesel water pump I've ever done. But a water pump's a water pump. I mean, plain and simple. I run straight coolant. That actually is beneficial to the water pump because it helps keep the water pump, the bearings, and all the seals, gaskets, all that stuff. It helps keep it lubricated, and it actually does a better job than just plain old 50/50, and it really does a lot better of a job than water. That's like the worst thing you can do for your cooling system. But anyway, I'm not gonna yammer on for minutes on end. This is a 5-minute video. Just gonna leave it at that. Like I said, I should be back in this by the end of tonight, or by tonight, because tonight I get paid. So I don't know if I'm gonna run all the way into town and take my gas cans or my fuel cans with me and fuel them up, and then put fuel in here and just get a little less hours of sleep, or just take my fuel cans with me in this truck, and when I get off work tomorrow, just fuel that up. I'm at a quarter of a tank in this, so I'm really contemplating figuring out what my next move is going to be. So I'm actually going to get out of this heat, and do better thinking. Cooler heads prevail, as they say. So right now I'm hot-headed because I'm hot. I'm not hot-headed, angry hot-headed. I'm hot-headed because it's hot out here. The humidity is absolutely absurd. If you're thirsty, just stick your tongue out because there's plenty of moisture in the air. Anyway, guys, as always, thanks for watching. More to come. Later, Gators.